What can Chidoba do this time? It's gone out.
So I think, talking about Frank Mukarati, I think Ndiraya needs to work out something in the middle of the park.
Now what can Dynamos do from here? They have got the early goal with Shadreck Nyahwa on his debut. As the goal comes out of nowhere. Yadah rather slack at the back. As the keeper Tanya.
Almost in their first game, you know, guys who are decisive when they are in the final third.
And he had 3 minutes played. Dynamos deserving their lead here, which came from Shadreck Nyahwa in the 10th minute. That's Shandira. Oh, he's given it away. Albert Eonde! And it's a goal all the way from Cameroon, capitalising on a defensive error. And rising high, Bright Chayambuka above Bill Antonio. Now here's a Mushunje. That's good from Murwira. Godknows Murwira. Oh, what a cracker! Godknows Murwira with a brilliant, brilliant goal. Absolutely superb. He went on the run. He fancied his chances. And Dynamos in as Tanya Razuhuni beaten for a 3rd time.
Yeah, he's wondering what just hit him.
An earthquake?
Yeah.
A bombshell?
I think this is what you get from Godknows Murwira. You know, when he finds space, you punish any team.
Fantastic. That's probably 35 yards out. There's a rocket from Godknows Murwira. What a different Dynamos we're seeing today. Oh, that's a good challenge. He's going to catch the keeper off his line! What a goal! Shadreck Nyahwa gets his 2nd. Oh, fantastic. Just past the halfway line. What vision.
I feel sorry for the goalkeeper. You know, you come in for somebody else who was there in the first match and you do this. I feel sorry for him.